this is my ticket, request ticket. I can move to in progress, I can move to closed. But you can see while closing the ticket, the resolution is showing unresolved. Okay, you are not giving the resolution for this ticket. Resolution is very important in the Jira. Okay, so if your ticket will be only will show the result if it's having the resolution. It doesn't matter ticket got closed, so it will be having the resolution. You cannot be able to see in the reports, so resolution should be provided. How you can create the resolution in Jira? You need to go to cog button, click on issues, go up. Here you can see under issue attributes resolution is there. These are resolution is already provided. Okay, I can provide another resolution, any name, and click on add. Never ever create any resolution as a unresolved, because unresolved is a empty resolution. Okay, that doesn't matter, it's having the resolution is empty, that's why it's shown. So never ever create unresolved resolution. Like this you can create the resolution. Okay, now my question is here how we can provide the resolution. If you want to provide the resolution is a field, you can add it in the workflow. Go to project setting, workflow for Jira. Okay, come here, click on screen, click on add, closed screen. I'm going to create it. Here I will add resolution, click on add. Okay, click on edit. So what it will become? It will become a transition screen. Closed, save, click on publish. Now I am going to close my issues. Whenever I will close the issue, it will ask for the resolution, and you can see resolution is a default one, like it's a mandatory. Click on close, it's invalid. Come here, resolution, go up. You can see there is no default resolution is there. If you want, you can create any default resolution as well. I want to make a done as a default resolution. Come here, refresh the page, reload page, click on close. See, resolution is a default one. So like this you can create resolution, you can make it default, and you can add in the project. Now I'm closing the tickets, its resolution is done. We talked about the unresolved resolution. So how I can prove it? Okay, just type it over here, project equal to Jira test, and resolution is empty. Click on search. You can see all these tickets. If you will click on columns, resolution, click on done. See, unresolved. So unresolved is an empty resolution. Like this you can create it. Thank you for watching.